I encourage everybody in the audience, whether you're an opponent or a proponent, to submit suggestions on what you would like this to be. And the feasibility study, while that is a description of what it could be, the bill is what ultimately would be voted on by the legislature through the House and then affirmed in the Senate. And so these sorts of things, like whether there should be a strong mayor or a strong city manager, definitely is something that we'll be deliberating even internally. Whether that plot in Sola Vita should or should not be out, and I think most of us are pretty much understood that that shouldn't be in there. These are the types of suggestions we wanted. We wanted to have a hearing where we just listened to everybody and had everybody get to say whether they absolutely hated this or absolutely loved it or somewhere in between, that they had input into it, and we just don't have a bill appear that everybody either likes or dislikes and felt like they didn't have any weight into the process. And so
both or all three, the Department of Economic Opportunity, Office of Government, Department of Revenue, all have this feasibility study. They are conducting their comments and are going to present it back to us to the Local and Federal Affairs Committee in the House. At that point in time, we'll obviously distribute that and review it, and then make a further determination what we need to do next, whether that